That's your data set, right? Just be very careful because I don't want you to stop the broadcast. But well, if you do, then I'll restart it. So Carly and Amelia, you should be connected right now. But if for some reason the transmission stops, then I will restart the session, right? So if we lose them, we wouldn't be able to see this thing here at the bottom. Okay, so there was a lot to extract. Basically everybody submitted something, which was the push, and I left some really succinct, brief notes as feedback to some of you. So the years. So, but this is kind of every one column would be the time value, and then some of the other columns would be sizes of population. So you, on the first column, your data set starts at 1970, and it goes all the way to what's the latest? 2018. So, and there are increments of 1 year in most cases, or in all cases? Yeah. So you need more years. Okay. Now let's talk about those. Let me see those columns again. So what's the second column? Column B. What does that say?
That is a population estimate of the entire state of Rhode.
The entire state. So that's the population size of the state. Everybody, female, male, children, elders, everything, all aggregate, right? So in 1970, so you almost have like 50 points here, right? From 1970 through 2018 should be almost like 50. So the initial population was what?
952,555.
So a little less than 1 million. So 950,000, more or less, right? And what's the head count in 2018?
1,057,000.
Okay, so this is not a lot of growth in 50 years. It seems roughly, I glanced quickly at some of your data sets, and in some states, the difference in 10 or 20 years, certainly in 50, it's like,
Doesn't have the Rhode Island.
it's much.
Doesn't have the Rhode Island's tiny island.
Speaking, I think the smaller states is West Virginia, right? So those states in the Northeast are small, but I don't know the Rhode Island. Yeah, actually, I don't remember the. Okay, but how about you show us where does this come from? Some of the other columns are like county or some other division of the state.
Yeah, each of the other columns is a different county.
Okay.
Right here and somewhere here.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually might have been.
Yeah.
There's that one that you were showing us where there's all those different files you could download. Yeah. This is it. So, first one was this. You want to put them with it?
No, but about the PDF, are they the same files? Is different format?
Yeah, I think it's just all the same.
Yeah, check the PDF. So maybe displays there. Yeah. So these are estimates by age, sex, and race. So, and you really,
So what I did for this was
Yeah.
I filtered the state name. I did it in Excel.
uh-huh,
I filtered that to Rhode Island.
yeah,
Have it here. And then
mm-hmm. Yeah, and then added some rows or something, like just to have photo counts for the year.
yeah. So first it shows all of the 1970, and then it shows all of 1971 for all the states. So filtering it by Rhode Island kind of got all those together.
Uh-huh.
And then I just highlighted. I don't think so. I do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. That's okay. I mean, it's this has a lot of age groups in increments of 5.
I wanted to just
And
sort
then-
it all the way down to right here,
Mm-hmm.
and just added all of those.
Added the rows and the columns.
That was some of all.
Yeah. Okay. So this is fine, but you need more years.